like put a color on my eye. I'm just trying to give myself a nice base to work with. Once again, sorry, this looks funny, along the crease. Alright. Now I have the base for my eyelids. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. And I'm just using this lighter brown because I don't want to go too dramatic. And I don't really know how to line it or anything like that. I'm just kind of filling in like right here, like I told you in my previous videos, where like my eyebrows don't really fill in all the way right there. So, and it makes when I take pictures of like my full beauty look, I always end up looking at my eyebrows if I don't fill it in. So I'm just going to take these. And this is just a subtle fill in. Go. This is easier. See how it gives you kind of a more defined, whereas like right there in mine, I kind of have to go over it with a little bit of a darker right in here, but. And if you ever do your eyebrows and you think they look really silly, it's okay. You can just like blend them in more, and like I'm going to fix this one. I'm going to try to get the parts where you can tell it's obviously eyeshadow on my stuff. But just to give you an idea. I mean, I can't really give you the best advice on eyebrows right now, but I do want to order the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Kit really bad. But, alright, I'm going to finish this one. Just make sure that you kind of hit all of your hairs with it, so it doesn't just sit in one section. And I'm going to go through with this. I am fascinated by watching brow videos because it's the one thing I'm not very good at yet. But there you go. There's a little bit of a, I don't like that right there. There we go. That's better. There's just a little bit of how I fill in my brows. I mean, I'm not doing them really to the most. I'm not trying to have like flawless, I mean, I want to have flawless brows, but I understand that I'm not there yet. But, alright, to finish with the eyes, this is that NYX roll-on glitter I was talking about. It's almond. Kind of difficult with the whole roll-on process, but I sort of roll it on and then brush it how I want. So you're gonna start right there by the lid. Now go now I have it on going on in my lid right there. I'm gonna take my brush. You're just going to take it in. See, now your whole eyelid has glitter on it. But it's a subtle, it's not too dramatic. It's just, I'm not really trying to show off my eyes. I'm more trying to show off my lips in this look. I'm gonna go underneath this one. Clean it up a little bit. This one needs a little bit more glitter, I feel. Very pretty, just a fall eye. Not really dramatic, but. And I'm gonna take some browns. And I'm gonna kind of shade my corners a little bit, just to give me a little bit of depth. But I'm not trying to do anything drastic. I'm just going into the crease right here in my eye, literally opening it and going right there in my eye and just kind of dabbling a little bit, just to give me a little bit of depth right there. I'm going to do the same for this one. My eye right into the corner. Now your eyes just have a little bit of a shimmer to them and a little bit of a depth. Now you're going to get your eyeliner. I'm using a brown eyeliner. And I'm just going along the lash line. I'm pulling, like, you don't need to pull your face really hard, but I'm pulling to create my line and keeping it taut. You're just going right along the base right there. Oops. Just to give your eyes some definition right there. And do the same for this one. It's not really that noticeable because it blends in with your eyeshadow, which is the nice thing about it. I'm not trying to have like really defined lines, but it just gives you a little bit of a base for your eyes and makes you look more awake. Alright, I'm going to finish off with some mascara. My favorite mascara is out in my car, so I'm going to have to use Pumped Up Colossal by Maybelline. I like this because it's goes on. I bought the blackest black, so it goes on dark, but it also doesn't clump up. Okay. And I am one of those girls that doesn't just use one mascara. I have to use two. So to finish off with that, I have the the Magna. I want to try the Fiber Lash. That's what I was going to say. I want to try it so bad. But here's the Magna. I told you guys this in my previous tutorial that I didn't really like it that much. And it's not that I don't like it, but it's okay. It's just not my favorite. And lastly for this one, I'm using, I believe it's, I want to say it's Lancome. but it's dollhouse lashes. And I'm going to use this on the bottom very lightly. I'm not going to do like a lot. And that's that eye. I'm going to go ahead and do this other one really fast. Sorry for this angle. My eyelashes feel really short today. Finishing off with the, I believe it's Lancome. And then after you put your mascara on, all you have to do is put on your lips and you're done. For the lip. I don't have a purple liner yet, so I'm not going to use a liner today. But so, this is my completed look for a nice fall, I guess you could say a fall, nice neutral nude look. I hope you'd enjoy.